In this video, we are going to see how to set up the vendors along with the opening balances in Zoho. So we have two vendors right here, Daniel and Sian. We just have to click on this quick create option at the top right. And from here, we see this purchases section. And on the top, we have this vendor option. It will directly open the new vendor screen where we just have to enter some basic information. I'll just copy and paste this name right here, display name. I'll choose the same. Rest all the details are pretty straightforward. Address, custom fields, you can add it on your own. The currency is US dollar and the opening balances is 50,000. So I'll choose 50,000 here. Payment is set to due on receipt. That's fine, but you can change it to any other term. And portal language is all selected. You can upload some more documents, and this is the simple process. Now in the same step, we entered the vendor along with the balance. Let's move to the next one. Again, we have to click on quick create, click on vendor. And the next one we have is Sian. Choose the display name as same. Opening balance is 80,000. Due on receipt, save. And now finally click on the reports and open the trial balance again, just to see that opening balance is updated as a control account in the accounts payable section or not. So we have the accounts payable section right here. 130,000 is updated as the opening balance on the credit side. This is exactly what we want. And this is how you can update the vendors along with the opening balances in Zoho Books. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.